Hey, what it is, YouTube? Welcome to KICKnology. It is your boy Truth. It is Christmas week. We are officially 4 days away, 5 days away from Christmas, and I'm ready, man. I'm super excited. You feel what I'm saying? I hope everybody get what they want for Christmas. I hope you get to spend time with your families. All those great things as we celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ, which is the most important thing about Christmas. You know what I'm saying? Do something kind for somebody. You feel what I'm saying? Go out, do some kind, but enjoy yourself. So today I got another unboxing for you guys. Shout out to my guy at DeepSoles. His link will be down in my description section for this review. And it's a Jordan 1. So y'all know I mess with Jordan 1s heavy. So without further ado, let's get to this unboxing. Let's get it.
No synthetic, no synthetic. If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.
Before we open up this box, let's go ahead and take care of some things. You feel what I'm saying? If this is your first time tapping into my channel, welcome. I appreciate you guys. I am Truth. I hope you guys enjoy this review. And if you are a recurring subscriber, thank you guys so much for rocking with your boy. Hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video, do all those great things and get your boy in that algorithm. You feel what I'm saying? I would greatly appreciate it. Head over to IG, follow your boy at KICKnology on IG. With all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get off into this box. Like I said, this is a Nike, this is a Jordan 1 box. Y'all see that black and red box? Y'all see that size tag on this box. This is size 13. It is not my personal pair, like I said. And it reads Air Jordan 1 Element Black Chili Red Particle Gray. The retail was $200, man. So this shoe is a little bit different than the other shoes. So as I open up this box, I want to show. I have seen this shoe already, but as you see here, the shoes are separated. You know what I'm saying? They're each individually wrapped. So as I take these shoes out, they literally wrap them individually. Don't they look like a Fear of God sneaker or like a Yeezy sneaker? This looks like a Yeezy concept. You feel what I'm saying? Like this would be something that Yeezy would do. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and open up this one. So as you unwrap this shoe, we have the Air Jordan 1 Element Gore-Tex.
Them hard, I should cop me a pair. Jordan ain't the only one that's in air. As I'm walking upstairs, I prefer that you follow me up there, but you still gotta know what you wear. I'm so glad I was spared, like the very last pair. When you walk into the mall and you think they ain't there, so you say a little prayer. You don't wanna be so vain, but if I get them in my hands, I'll give them the best care.
This was the first initial drop of the Gore-Tex brand this year. We also had this bone colorway, as you can see on the screen. We had this one as well. But this was the first one in kind of like a green and gray colorway. So we're going to get off into this shoe a little bit. But let's go ahead and talk about this Gore-Tex technology. For somebody that rock their ones, like I wear all these Jordan 1s you see behind me. I'm not one of those people that buy mids to, you know, no. I wear my Jordan 1s no matter what they are. They hit the pavement. This would be a great shoe for those people that wear them every day. Like, this shoe is supposed to be indestructible. Like, you know what I'm saying? You have that material that literally can take the damage of like weathering and water and stuff like that. And it's the Nike swoosh is like that 3M material. So it's just one of those shoes that's supposed to be super durable, be able to handle a lot of things. So this is a sneaker that if you are going to get wear out of your Jordan 1s, this is a wearable sneaker. This is the most wearable and comfortable Jordan 1 that you can get. Now, a lot of people said that the Zoom, this one here, that this one is the most comfortable. A lot of padding, which it does have that Zoom in the bottom. This is a comfortable Air Jordan 1, but this one is better and more wearable when it comes to wear and tear on a Jordan 1. So let's get into this colorway of this thing. You know what I'm saying? As you look at the toe box, you have that black on that toe box. On the toe box, you have that hunter green colorway. As you guys can see right there, looks like a denim material. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, water resistant, all that good stuff. You have that 3M stripe right there. You got the Gore-Tex on the back end, and then you have on the booty, you do have that same type of material, but in that particle gray color. And then on the top right here, you do have this same black suede, whatever it is, Gore-Tex material right there. On the inside of the shoe, the exact same thing. The wing logo is 3M as well, right there, as you can see on that thing. And you do have the Nike Air on the tongue, which is a little bit different than your Air Jordan 1 typical tongue. You see the writing that kind of overlaps over here, and then you have your Nike Air there. On the inside of the tongue, the label just kind of goes down. Nike Air brand on the inside. Like I said, the retail for this shoe was $200. Only black laces in it. No other laces came with it, only black laces. Would be dope with some green ones or even some white ones. You have the kind of off-white outsole right there, and then the bottom of the shoe, super dope. You have that translucent there as it goes to the black, and then you have the finish off with the translucent right there. But the translucent is kind of like a grayish marbleized color. You see what I'm saying? As you guys can see there. And the biggest thing about this sneaker, look up in the inside of it. Compared to a normal Jordan 1, we're gonna go to this one. The cushioning on this sneaker is crazy. Look how thick it is. This is thick. This alright. But this thing right here, this girl right here thick. You know what I'm saying? So just overall comfortable sneaker. Nice to add to your collection. Like I said, if you are looking for a wear out of your shoes, and super padded, very comfortable sneaker. You guys let me know down in the comment section where you're able to cop this thing. What are your thoughts on this Gore-Tex technology? Do you feel like this colorway was a hit, man? Or do you feel like they should have went with another colorway? Maybe like a Chicago or a Bread or some type of OG colorway with this material. It would be dope in my opinion. I just feel like this colorway you can't wear with too many things. Maybe like a shadow colorway would have been dope if they would have went with this kind of a colorway on this with this material. I think that would have been very, very dope because you can wear this with pretty much anything. You feel what I'm saying? But as far as resale goes, these shoes are not going for much. Like I said, retail was $200. Right now, you could probably get them shipped to you depending on your size for like $260, $250 max probably. You feel what I'm saying? I don't think they're gonna go up in price, to be honest with you. I just don't think people understand the concept of this, and there's so many green and black and white Jordan 1s that people are just like, I'm gonna let this slide. But like I said, y'all let me know. I appreciate you guys tuning in. As y'all have a very good week. I do have my top 10 and my pickups for 21 because I did take a hiatus, and your boy picked up some sneakers during that hiatus. Hey, rock what you like, not what's hype. Wash them hands, man. And remember, these shoes behind me, this shoe right here, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. You guys be blessed. Peace.
No synthetic, if they